तुम्हें फ्री स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल रही है? हाँ, पता नहीं अभी तो मैं पाइनएप्पल लेके आई थी मार्केट में। मेरे स्कूल में भी खाने लग गए मुझे देख। एक क्वेश्चन आप दो वेदा का। हाँ रख ले माँ।
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Hi,
ma'am.
Shruti. Hi, Bhumika. Hi, Shweta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi,
Welcome, ma'am.
Ranjana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक है?
Good, good. Good to see you again.
Hello, ma'am.
Good
Good
to see you,
evening.
ma'am.
Good evening. Good
Good
evening.
evening,
Ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm
Good
good. आप
evening.
कैसे हैं?
Badhiya,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yesterday I missed you, ma'am.
हाँ, missed you too.
एक्चुअली मैं वेट कर रही थी ना, कंफ्यूजन हो गया था थोड़ा।
जी
5 o'clock वाले का लेके चल रहा था, तो आई वॉज वेटिंग कि आपका कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन आएगा, तो उसके
हाँ
चक्कर
जी
में
हाँ जी
मिस हो गया।
मेरे पास कॉल आया था अभी उनका स्पर्श का, तो ही वाज आस्किंग द सेम। सो वो जो 5 PM का सेशन है, मंडे टू फ्राइडे।
जी 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 मैम, बाद में देखा आपका मैसेज।
जी जी, चलिए आ जाइए, शुरू करते हैं। uh, okay, so today's session, meditation and healing. So if possible, तो प्लीज सिट इन अगर कोई सेपरेट रूम है जहाँ पे आप आराम से बैठ सकते हैं, जहाँ कोई आपको डिस्टर्ब ना करे। शाजी, आई अंडरस्टैंड बेबी के साथ, हाँ मैं समझ सकती हूँ, बट अगर पॉसिबल है जिनके लिए, तो अगर वो सेपरेट रूम में जाके विदाउट जो आसपास का घर का शोर शराबा जो हो रहा है वो ना हो पाए, अगर वो पॉसिबल है, सो प्लीज गो इन एंड सिट इन क्वाइट रूम इफ पॉसिबल, एंड डिम लाइट थोड़ा सा डिम रहे, ठीक है? If it's possible, if not, then it's okay, then try to, you have to just bring more and more focus during the meditation. But if it is feasible for you to shift, so please, okay, chaliye. Yes, Ranjita, I was saying, if it's possible for you to please sit in a quiet room. I mean, this we have the yoga session for the meditation and healing, so a quiet place will help you to concentrate. Okay, chal. आ जाइए सभी, set your camera and let's start. Please mute. Good evening once
Just
again.
last.
Yes, Rupam.
Sorry to
No
disturb.
problem.
Acha, ye third day of period, is it okay to?
Yes. Any day of period. Okay, you just need to relax. चलो आ जाइए.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Kalpana. I have joined this first day for me.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, we are going to start. Please. चलिए, everyone please mute कर लीजिए. Guys, please mute. Sit in a Sukhasan. Everyone please close your eyes and take a deep breath. Deep inhale and deeper exhale. Press your hips to your mat and upper body straight, nice and tall. Elongate your spine, shoulders are relaxed. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Deep inhale and very deeper exhale. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. सारी थकान को निकालिए शरीर से. Release all the tension and stress from your body while exhale. Breathe in from your nose and slowly breathe out from your mouth. 2 more times. Breathe in from your nose and slowly breathe out from your mouth. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. Relax. Hands are in Gyal Mudra, index finger and your thumb together. Rest 3 fingers tight and straight, palm towards the ceiling, shoulders are relaxed. Let's do 3 times chant of Omkara, A, O, Ma. A sound feel from your navel, O sound from your chest, Ma sound from your head. Let's connect 3 energy. We call this Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra energy with chant of Om. Breathe in everyone and start with me. I would request, please don't unmute during the prayer. Namaskara. Starting prayer of yoga, the conversation between you and your Paramatma, be loud and clear with your words. Sahana Bhavatu. Sahana Bhunatu. Sahviryam Karivavahe. Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Ma vidishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om.
Shanti, Shanti.
Slowly bow down on your hands towards your Guru, towards your teachers, towards your masters, towards your parents and your Paramatma. The attitude of gratitude, gratitude for everything you have currently in your life, gratitude for family and friends, for good health and wealth, for peace, for happiness. Gently rub your palm, create a positive energy and transfer the energy to your body. Start from your head, face, neck, shoulders and your arms. Spread your hands slowly from your chest, tummy, hips, thighs to your toes. Join your palm together again and place your hands up over your eyes. With belief and happy face, open your eyes behind your palm and say loudly Hari Om, or take your Paramatma's name. Before we start, I just want to say, just take one sankalpa in your mind or one wish, okay? So we are going to continue for 1 hour. So today's meditation and healing session will help you to release that stress and tiredness from the body and also give you the, power to focus and stable mind. Okay, so I would request to, if possible, sit in a quiet room and light थोड़ी सी कम कर सकते हैं तो कम करिएगा, स्पेक्स हटा दीजिएगा, ठीक है, आराम से बैठेंगे, जस्ट प्रिपेयर करेंगे बॉडी को पहले मेडिटेशन के लिए. one sankalpa in your mind that we are going to continue and 1 hour, and I'll try to focus, I'll try to maintain my focal point as जो भी मैं suggest करूंगी आपको accordingly, and just try to maintain the stable mind during the meditation. That's it. चलिए आराम से बैठ जाइए. Just prepare your body first with your right hand. Stretch your neck towards right and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. With your left hand, stretch gently for 5 counts. 1, 2, breathe in, breathe out normally. 3, 4, and 5. Center. Breathe in. ऊपर ले जाइए neck को. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. From right, turn your neck towards right. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Towards left. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From left center to towards your ceiling. अपनी छत की तरफ देखिए. ऊर्ध्व दृष्टि. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same right. Turn your neck towards right and lift. ऊपर देखिए and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Interlock your fingers. Place it in the center, Sahasra Chakra. How to measure? The space finger is here. Okay? The mid finger, space finger is here. So there you need to place your hands. Round your shoulder back. Place your hands. Inhale, press your hands, exhale, release. Okay? Inhale, gentle press, not forcefully. बहुत आराम से हल्का सा press करिएगा. Exhale and release. ठीक है? रखिए हाथ सीधे रखिए. Extend करिए elbow को. सीधे बैठिए. ऐसे नहीं बैठना. सीधे बैठिए. Chest up. Inhale everyone. Press. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Press from your nose. Inhale करिए. Press. Exhale from your nose. Inhale. Press. Exhale. Inhale. Press. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Press. Exhale. पीछे रखिए. Behind your head. Not on your neck. Head पे रखना है. ठीक है? Neck पे नहीं रखना है. रख लीजिए. सांस भरिए. Press करिए. धक्का मारिए हाथों से आगे की तरफ. Inhale. Press. Exhale. Release. 1. Inhale. Press. Neck center में रखिए. Exhale. Release. 2. Inhale. Press. Exhale, release. 3. Inhale, press. रंजना next उठी हुई है. neck को center में लेकर आएंगे. Press, exhale, release. हाँ. Inhale, press. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, press. Exhale, release. And relax. Hands सीधे करिए. Straight your arms. Line of your shoulder. No one line. ऐसे नहीं आगे, not forward, not back. Center. ठीक है? Tight your arms, tight. Fingers tight towards you. Now start. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Shake your hands and relax. चलिए. Now everyone, please close your eyes for a second and follow the words after me. आंखों को बंद करिए. And say to yourself, I'm going to do meditation and healing session today. I'm going to focus on my breath. Let the thoughts come and go. I'll try to maintain my gaze. I'll try to maintain my balance. I will try to continue the whole meditation and healing session to release all the stress, anxiety, to release all the tension, to release all the sadness, fear, to release all the problems, jealousy, hate, competition, everything. And after completing 1 hour session, I'm going to feel light. Take that sankalpa in your mind and one wish, only single one wish. That wish you need to repeat again and again during the meditation. So the fix one wish in your mind. With closed eyes, go in Shavasana. Everyone, don't open your eyes. With closed eyes, go in Shavasana. Lie down on your back. Eyes open मत करिएगा. लेट जाइए. जैसे भी हैं, जिधर गर्दन है, आंखें मत खोलिएगा. I said don't open your eyes. With closed eyes.
Hello.
पल्लवी जी प्लीज
हाँ.
म्यूट कर लीजिए. प्लीज म्यूट कर लीजिए. If there is anything urgent, please text. कल्पना जी लेट जाइए. Everyone, please lie down on your back. With closed eyes. सिंधुजा जी लेट जाइए. शवासन. जिन्होंने आंखें खोल ली हैं दोबारा से संकल्प को दोहराइएगा फिर जाइएगा. जिन्होंने आईज अपनी खोल ली हैं, अगेन यू हैव टू रिपीट दोज वर्ड्स. With closed eyes, don't open your eyes, don't set the camera, just go and lie down. Your palm towards the ceiling. हाथों की हथेलियां ऊपर छत की तरफ. बॉडी से थोड़ा सा दूर रखिएगा. नेहा गांधी जी हाथों को फ्लोर पे रख दीजिए. शवासन. हथेलियां छत की तरफ. पैरों के बीच में थोड़ा सा गैप रखिएगा. 1.5 feet apart distance between your legs. Try not to move your body much. Allow me to start. Allow me to help you, to take you in a deep meditation and healing. कल्पना जी लेट जाइए in a Shavasana. आर कल्पना जी, कल्पना जी लेट जाइए in a Shavasana. कल्पना जी आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? आर कल्पना जी, could you please go and lie down in a Shavasana? लेट जाइए, लेट जाइए. आपसे कह रही हूं मैम, प्लीज लेट जाइए. Now just try to focus on your breath. Right now, just try to bring your focus, your awareness on your breath. Deep inhale from your nose, mouth closed. Shri Lata ji, लेट जाइए ना Shavasana. I have repeated many times. Please go in a Shavasana. Shri Lata ji, please go in a Shavasana. लेट जाइए. शवासन में लेट जाइए. Lie down on your back in a Shavasana. Keep focusing everyone on your breath. Inhale from your nose and take your breath and reach to your navel. Focus on your navel and feel the breath when it passes through your chest. Exhale from your nose. Do it 5 times. Maintain your focus. कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ अपना ध्यान अपनी सांसों पे पहले बनाइए. अपना ध्यान, let the thoughts come and go. Don't stop. उनको आने दीजिए और जाने दीजिए. कोशिश करिए बॉडी ज्यादा मूव ना करे. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. बिल्कुल शांत हो जाइए. बॉडी को बिल्कुल ट्राई टू फील लाइट. Maintain your focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your nose. Again and again. Now bring your attention to your toes. Slowly move your toes. Only your toes, not your leg. Only your toes. Very slowly, super slow. Slow. Inhale, tight your toes. Exhale, release your toes. We will do and repeat the same 5 counts. Inhale, tight your toes. Exhale, release your toes. Inhale, tight your toes. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your toes. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your toes. Exhale, release and relax. Now bring your attention from your toes to your heel. अपना ध्यान अपनी उंगलियों से अपनी एड़ियों पे लेकर के आइए and press your heel towards your mat. Inhale, exhale, release. Repeat 5 times. Inhale, press your heel. Exhale, release.
Ma'am, can you repeat how to do?
Manisha ji, I would request please don't unmute during the meditation session. I have requested already. If you have anything, I'm repeating again and again everything. Don't worry. Inhale. Press your heel towards your mat. Exhale, release. आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है प्लीज अनम्यूट मत करिएगा आज के सेशन में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. कुछ भी आपको लग रहा है आंखों को बंद रखिए. आई एम रिपीटिंग एवरीथिंग अगेन एंड अगेन इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश एज वेल, सो डोंट वरी. Inhale, press your heel, exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, press your heel, exhale, release and relax. Now shift your attention from your heel to your knees. Without moving your leg, you just need to inhale, tight your knees inside and exhale, release. Don't move your toes, don't move your heels. Just focus on one part, single part of your body, your knees. Inhale, tight your knees in, exhale, release. That's it. Inhale, tight your knees in. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your knees. Exhale, release. Very good, everyone. Keep going. Inhale, tight your knees. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your knees. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, tight. Exhale, release, and relax. Shift from your knees to your thighs. Do the same. Breathe in, tight your thighs in, side, and exhale, release. Very good, everyone. Keep going. Inhale, tight your thighs. Don't move your hands. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your thighs in. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your thighs. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight. Exhale, release, and relax. Now shift from your thighs to your hips. So now you need to squeeze your hips in while inhale, exhale, release. Shivani, try not to move your body if possible. Just try to bring focus. Inhale, squeeze and tight your hips. Release, exhale. Inhale, squeeze and tight your hips. Exhale, release. 3. Inhale, squeeze and tight your hips. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, tight. And exhale, release. Now shift from your hips to your belly. You need to inhale. Make a balloon of your belly. जैसे ही सांस अंदर जाएगी, पेट बाहर आएगा. जैसे ही सांस छोड़ेंगे, पेट अंदर जाएगा. How? You just need to inhale from your nose, make a balloon of your belly. Exhale and release. Okay? Let's do this for 5 counts. Everyone, breathe in, tummy out. Breathe in, tummy out. Out, 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 out. It's abdominal breathing. We call this abdominal breathing. It's powerful breathing for your belly. Exhale, release. Exhale, 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 exhale. Empty your stomach. खाली करिए पूरी tummy को. पूरा exhale करिए. Inhale, balloon. फुलाइए पेट को जितना फुला सकते हैं. सांस अंदर, पेट बाहर. फुलाइए, फुलाइए. Give a proper massage to your abdominal. Exhale, release. Inhale. Out your tummy. Exhale, release. Inhale, out your tummy. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale, tight. Exhale, release, and relax. Now focus, shift from your tummy to your heart. Just try to connect with your heart. That's it. Try to connect with your heart. And if you want, you can listen the beats of your heart. Focus, focus, focus. If you want a stable mind, then always try to connect with your beats of your heart. See the magic. You will get the clarity, you will get the intuition power. Try to be connected. Let the distraction come and go. Maintain your focus. So many thoughts, so many imaginations, so many problems will definitely come to reach you and disturb you and poke you. Don't allow them to disturb your peace right now. How? You just keep focusing on the beats of your heart and try to be connected. Show the power of your focus. You have the strength to control your emotions. You have the power to control your imaginations, picturize. Your body knows how to heal, how to calm, how to relax. Your body knows how to release all the negative energy and filled with peace and positivity. Just say to yourself slowly and softly that you are able to do it. You are able to control your mind. You are able to control your thoughts. And you are able to focus. Now we are going to shift from heart to shoulders. You need to do the same steps. Breathe in, tight your shoulders, breathe out, release. Okay, let's do this 5 counts. Breathe in, everyone. Tight your shoulder in. Don't move. Your shoulders don't move. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your shoulders. Exhale, release. Inhale, tight your shoulders. Exhale, release. प्रेरणा जी लेट के करना है ये सब, बैठ के नहीं कर पाएंगे. Inhale, tight your shoulders. Exhale, release and relax. Now remember that sankalpa, that wish. Make a fist, thumb in, fingers out. Make a tight fist. Repeat that wish again and again whenever I say inhale. So you need to inhale with that wish. Okay? Align your mind, align your body. We will do this 5 times. Okay? So start. Inhale everyone with that wish. अपनी wish के साथ सांस भरिए, अंदर ले जाइए and reach to your navel. Slowly exhale. Repeat the same. Don't change the wish. Inhale. ले जाइए अपनी नाभि तक, सांसों को ले जाइए, उस सोच और उस विश के साथ ले जाइए और धीरे से सांस छोड़िए. Inhale. Repeat your wish. Exhale. 2 more time. Inhale. Repeat your wish. Exhale. Inhale. Repeat, exhale, and release your fist and relax. Now let's shift the attention slowly. Bring your attention in the center of your eyebrow where we have third eyes. Ajna, Agya Chakra. Ajna भी कहते हैं, आज्ञा भी कहते हैं, अलग नाम है दोनों, एक ही है. थर्ड आइज. रोमा जी मूव मत करिए बॉडी, फोकस करिए वहीं पे. Relax your forehead, relax your eyes, relax your jaw. In your third eyes, slightly and slowly set an intention for healing. Just allow yourself to receive. Receive the energy, receive the power, receive the intuition. Try to receive that strength. Try to maintain your focus. Imagine a warm golden light above your third eyes, just next to your third eyes. Very warm and bright light. With every breath, that light gently flows into your body. Slowly. And going to cover your eyes, your nose, your lips, your jaw, your ears, entire forehead, and your head as well. Slowly go down, cover your neck, shoulders, your chest, arms, your fingers. Spread that light slowly from your chest to your tummy, your hips, genitals, and your thighs, your knees, calf, shin, ankle, heel. Cover your whole body with that golden light. It's not just a light, it's full of energy, full of Paramatma's energy, the superpower. We all have that power. You just need to know how to activate the power of belief, the power of strength. The power and energy give you control on your thoughts, give you control on your emotions. Feel that light. You have already covered your whole body from head to toe. Try to be there in that light as longer as possible. Trust me, this light knows exactly what to heal. Your pain, if there's any grief, any fear, any sadness, or any baggage. If you have any baggage, किसी ने कुछ किया, हमने ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया, ये हो जाता तो वो. So this light is already aware how to handle, how to deal. So the longer you are there in that light, you feel that every negative emotions you're releasing from your body and you're healing inside. You're getting your strength, you're getting your power, you're getting your vibes, you're getting and creating a beautiful, strong aura. The aura of positivity, the aura of belief, the aura of kindness, happiness, and love. Try to be connected with yourself. You're strong enough to do it. Trust me, you can. Long way to go. You're beautiful. See the brightness, and you are full of heart. Say to yourself that I am safe, I am calm and relaxed. My body knows how to heal. I release all the negative energy. I'm filled with peace and positivity, full of strength, full of power, full of belief. Feel your body where it is. Say thanks to yourself for everything you have. Say thanks for the beauty. Say thanks for the clarity. Say thanks for the strength. Say thanks for the happiness. You don't need any fancy words, only intention matter right now. Anything if you want to say to yourself, say it. I mean, try to be calm, just in case if I forget lines to say anything or I miss anything to say. You can repeat those lines to yourself, stay calm and continue. Trust the journey, trust the energy, trust the belief. Love yourself. Love the way you are. Love the way you do mistakes. Love the way you're learning from your mistakes. Try to learn how to forgive. And firstly, forgive yourself for everything. For all those mistakes you did in the past. Forgive yourself and be gentle with yourself. We all do mistakes. No one is perfect. Try to learn from those mistakes. Now we are coming out from that light. Release that light from your toes, from your heel, calf, knees, thighs, hips, tummy. Slowly come up from your shoulders to your face and squeeze that light again in the center of your eyebrow. जहां से शुरू किया था वहीं पे उसको लेकर आइए. Whenever you want that light, it is there, right there. Create that light and always try to be in that light. Whenever you feel low, alone, if you need a strength or power, कभी भी ऐसा लगे तो always try to sit quietly, close your eyes and do these steps. You will feel light. There's no weight of your body, you only feel the lightness, the soul weight. Now slowly take a right side turn with closed eyes. Don't open your eyes. With control, बस हल्का सा turn करिए towards right with closed eyes. Don't open your eyes. राइट टर्न लीजिए। वहीं लेटे रहिए थोड़ी देर के लिए। Just sharing a music, Shiva's music. Take support with your left hand and sit in a Sukhasana. Don't open your eyes. You just need to open your eyes after the prayer. Okay? So with closed eyes, sit in a Sukhasana. Don't check your hair. Don't check anything. Just sit quietly. And try to chant. And if you don't know the stuti, you just listen, sit and listen. That's it. You can sit in a Sukhasana with Gyan Mudra, or join your palm in a Namaskara. It's your choice. If you want, you can take the support, but you need to take the support with closed eyes. If not possible, try to sit without support. Let's chant together.
ईश गिरीश नरेश परेश महेश विलेश भूषण भो सांब सदा शिव शंभो शंकर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् उमया दिव्य सुमंगल लिंगित वामांग विभो सांब सदा शिव शंभो शंकर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् प्रत्यक्ष गुरुदक्ष यज्ञशिक्षकभो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् बलमारोग्यं चायुस्त्वगुणरुचितं चिरप्रदेहि विभो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् सर्वदेव सर्वोत्तम सर्वद दुर्वूतगर्वहरण विभो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम्
आंखों को बंद ही रखिएगा. Let's do 3 time chant of Omkara. Breathe in everyone and start with me. Palm together in a Namaskara. Starting prayer. हमने करी थी. I'll share the prayer starting and ending prayer with you today. Please repeat the ending prayer of yoga. This is a conversation between you and to your Paramatma. Be loud and clear with your words again. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कष्ट दुःख भाग भवेत्. शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. Slowly bow down on your hands towards your guru, towards your teachers, towards your masters, towards your Paramatma and your God, towards your parents for everything you have. Show gratitude. Gratitude for family and friends, for good health and wealth, for peace, environment and food. हर चीज के लिए शुक्रिया अदा करिए अपने परमात्मा का जो आपके पास जीवन में है. अभी आप जितना शुक्र करेंगे जीवन में उतना ही आपको मिलेगा. कभी भी ग्रैटिट्यूड करना मत भूलिए. Now gently rub your palm. Transfer the positive energy to your body. Start from your head, face, neck, shoulders, and your arms. Spread your hands slowly from your chest, tummy, hips, thighs to your toes. Join your palm together again and place your hands up over your eyes with a smile and believe. Open your eyes behind your palm and say loudly Hari Om or take your Paramatma's name. Now you can open your eyes. Can you feel light now? How
It's
was the
very
session?
light, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Was waiting
Thank
for
you
the
so
session.
much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
Shazia.
you so much,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
How was
thank
your
you.
experience? How was your experience? Good?
Ma'am, hope whatever we have wished for comes true.
Definitely. Definitely. No doubt.
Ma'am, please share this playlist, ma'am. It's amazing.
That song? Okay, sure, I will.
Yeah, I have it and I have almost learnt it also.
Nice, beautiful, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I can see the peace on everyone's face, and the lightness and the very looks very calm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, really.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you,
Sophia.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Take
ma'am.
care. Love you all. Love you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye.
you, Beta. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.